Ready.
Take a picture when it's over my head, okay?
Just throw it.
It's getting appropriately photo documented, don't worry. Alright, Christian.
What?
Their arms are getting tired.
Can I just make a bunch of tiny clay balls?
Must be flushed.
Flush it.
Flush it. I'm going to send this picture to Yas.
Today, Junior.
Got a Sasquatch hair.
Gross.
Christian, yeah.
Don't touch it.
Long and curly.
It's not a hair, it's a...
Short and curly, I guess.
If there's peanuts in there, don't tell us.
I am videotaping all this, you know.
Susie's videotaping. Aww.
Henry, close your ears. Earmuffs, Henry. Earmuffs. He's very interested in this.
You know, more hair, long.
They're all long and curly. You're just saying.
Okay, I'm videotaping, so shot put it.
Hang on, I gotta throw the turd.
That's super gross, Christian.
Like a hot dog.
That's not a turd.
That's not chocolate.
Bratwurst.
Okay, we're done.
The moment.
I couldn't believe I saw
Unless
you
I
all the way
fall
over
off
on the
again.
other side of Caramore with Ripley the other day
Alright, it's going over.
Okay, 1, 2.
Hang on. I gotta put it back together, it's falling. Alright.
Yeah.
That has disaster written all over it. Did you lose it?